Hello, family. This is Beverly Black. And how is everyone doing today? I pray that everyone is doing well and everything is going good. I know during this season, the time for the holidays approaching, it can be rough for some people. But today, we're going to start a series about crockpot cooking. So today, I am doing chicken and dumplings in the crockpot. And what you will need is 2 to 3 pounds of boneless chicken breasts, or you can put chicken thighs. And I have the breasts here, and I'm going to add some thighs because the chicken thighs, they give more of a flavor than the chicken breasts. I think I got more chicken in here than what I realized, but that's all right. I'm going to go ahead and use it. Then you need 1 onion diced up, 3 carrots diced up, and 2 celery stalks cut up. And we're going to put that on top, like that. Take that out. You need 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of poultry seasoning. That's optional if you want to add that. And salt and pepper to taste. So I'm putting in the onion powder now. Get this garlic powder off of there. I'm gonna sprinkle in a little salt. And some black pepper. And 3 cups of chicken broth. Here's 1 cup. And the 2 cups will make it 3. Then 1 can of cream of chicken soup. We have that. Okay, getting all of this soup out of this can. We ain't throwing away nothing. Okay. And you will cook this for 6 to 7. For some reason, my camera went off while I was videoing. But what I was saying, you will cook this on low for 6 to 7 hours. On high, 3 to 4 hours. And you see I have mine on high, and I had set it for 4 hours, and it is cooking. And I will be back when this process is done, and we will shred the chicken, Lord have mercy, the chicken, and add the other ingredients to it. The chicken and veggies have cooked on high in the crock pot for 4 hours. Now I took the chicken out and I pulled it apart so it looked like this. Now we are getting ready to make the dumplings. I will be using Pillsbury Grand's original biscuit. Original home style. Don't get the one that pull apart. It has the different layers. No, you got to get the buttermilk, the pull apart. And we will cut them, each biscuit, I'm going to cut into 4 pieces. And we will put that into the chicken mixture for the dumplings. So, and we'll also push them down so they will go to down on the bottom a little bit. You're getting the idea. I'm going to use this 1 pack, and we will, once I get them all cut, we will cook them on high for 1 hour, and your dumplings will be ready. Chicken and dumplings will be ready. I have the biscuits all cut up and put in the pot, and we'll push them down slightly. And I'm going to cook them for 1 hour. Then I will be back. The chicken and dumplings are done. And here is that pot. Just check it out. Let me show you. Look. And you see the richness in the gravy that it has made. So this is a real easy restaurant, Lord have mercy, recipe to try out. And I hope that you want to try it. But we're starting something here for the month of November. I am going to be doing Crockpot Wednesday. And we're making Crockpot dishes. And you don't have to be a content creator to do it. If you are a subscriber and you love making Crockpot meals, make one and upload it. And whoever does content creators or whoever makes a Crockpot recipe, please put it at Beverly Black Crockpot Wednesday. So we can tag and we can share and make a playlist of everyone who has made a Crockpot dish. So I want to thank everyone who has watched this video. And I want you all to know that I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece. You are somebody. Everyone be blessed and prosperous.